We'll guide you through how to fix NFC not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. NFC not working can be an annoying problem because perhaps trying to go and tap something and it's not working. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to hopefully go and get it resolved, and so you're then able to go and use it. Make sure it is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, on your iPhone, what you want to try doing is you want to try removing the case. Some cases are going to go and interfere with it. Usually it may be a case with some type of metal in potentially or something like that. So try taking off the case. And then what you can try doing is using the NFC. Also, make sure you're using the top part of the phone as well when you're going and tapping on the NFC as well. Go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, what we're going to try doing is a forced restart. Sometimes it can just be a software problem and a restart can go and solve this. So we're going to press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Now what we need to do is go and keep that held down. Shortly the screen's going to go black. We keep it held down though. As you can see, we're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon, like that. Now we can go and wait. Shortly it's going to come back on. And it's going to go, and it shouldn't go and take too long. The newer iPhones are usually pretty quick with this. And this just goes and refreshes things. Shouldn't go and be much longer. As you can see, here we are. And then what we can do is we can go and unlock it. And then what you can try doing is tapping it on the NFC. Hopefully that goes and works. If you still find that it doesn't, the next thing we can try doing is you need to go and check if there's a specific app required for this. So in some cases, to go and use the NFC, you don't just go and tap with your iPhone on the home screen. You need to go and use a specific app. So for example, I've had to go and use a specific app, like there could be one like Squid. So you go and open it up. Then what you can do is go and press scan tag, and it then opens up the ready to scan, and I could then go and tap. So just make sure that what you're trying to go and scan doesn't need a specific app. If it still isn't working, the next thing we can try doing is we're going to try opening up our settings. You can scroll down and find the option for general, and we can then scroll down again, and you can go and find transfer or reset iPhone. Press reset, and you can try doing a reset on the network settings. Doing this will go and remove all your connected networks, your Wi-Fi networks, and you will need to go into the passwords, but it's worth doing if it can go and solve the problem. Next, I would just try using a different NFC tag in case this one isn't working or there's another problem with it. And hopefully you'll find that it may just be a problem with that specific NFC and others are working. Hopefully it would help this video you managed to go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.